Going straight ahead on a road is always easy. But driving in reverse? Well, that is something only real drivers can do. Similarly, we've learned how to convert ordinary notations into scientific notations. Like 30600 can also be written as 3.06 into 10 raised to the power 4. But what if I ask you to go in reverse and convert a scientific notation back to its complicated ordinary form? Could you do it? Of course you can. So, today we're going to learn how to reverse scientific notations back to their ordinary forms. Let's see how with some examples. On your screen, you have a scientific notation 6.35 into 10 raised to the power 6. The positive exponent 6 here on top of the 10 shows us that the decimal point would have shifted 6 places to the left to obtain this scientific notation. To bring it back to its ordinary notation, we reverse the process and shift the decimal point 6 places to the right. Follow my finger on the screen. Here we go. 1, 2. Now wait, we don't have any more space to shift our decimal. What do? Don't worry. We'll simply keep going and leave blank spaces behind. I'll mark the space as I go along. Let's continue shifting. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, I'll just fill in all the blank spaces on the right by drawing zeros there. Our ordinary notation becomes 6350000. Pretty easy, right? To counter-check if we did this correctly, let's convert this number back to its scientific notation, shifting the decimal point back to the left of the number to go from here to the first non-zero digit takes exactly 6 places. It becomes the same as before, 6.35 into 10 raised to the power 6. Interesting, right? Let's now look at a scientific notation with a negative exponent. In 7.61 into 10 raised to the power negative 4, the negative exponent shows us that the decimal point would have moved rightwards to obtain this scientific notation. To reverse the process, we shift the decimal point 4 places to the left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after filling in all the missing places with zeros, we obtain the ordinary notation 0.000761. Great! Now we know how to convert a scientific notation into its ordinary notation and an ordinary notation into its scientific notation. Good work! Don't forget to practice some more questions from your course book. See you guys again in the next lesson.